Good afternoon. We are on the roof for Janelle Brown, claim number 0792885923. It is August 22nd. It's approximately 77 degrees. I'm on a 12 pitch here on the front right gable. I've been contracted to perform some repairs based on the carrier specs. This is a wind damage shingle. This applique here is creased, so I'm going to document the removal and replacement of this damaged shingle. In order to do so, I need to manipulate the 2 rows above it to gain access to the nails. Tools we'll be using: standard roof snake to get the nails out, as well as a roofer's hatchet. I'll document any issues as they arise, such as breaking, fracturing, hindering, mat transference, things of that nature. We will also accompany the video with close-up photos as well. Let's get started. I'll use the tail end of my hatchet to lift the above shingle just high enough to get access to the nails. I'm noticing the shingle is very stiff, not a lot of pliability. I'm seeing a little granule loss come off just in the short manipulation. First row is out, moving to the second. Should be it. Right. Damaged shingle is out. We'll be replacing it with another standard 30-year laminate. Right. Reinstalling the nails, 4 to each row minimum. Hit the nails, I'm noticing granules fall off. I'm starting to see a slight, what appears to be a crease and fracture from the above nail, from the above shingle. First row is in, moving to the second. I'm noticing that on the second row, the same thing is happening. Appears to have some granule loss and a fracture appearing. Glass nails going in now. All right, shingle has been installed. It looks like we do have some fracturing. Let me show you what I'm seeing. All right, with the new shingle in, I'm noticing a combination of hinging and creasing. If you can see it in the video, we have one fracture here, a fracture coming across the ever so lightly on the above shingle, as well as the third shingle getting torn up here, slightly right here, but more dominant right here. This would be deemed a failed attempt at the repair, unfortunately. In an effort to fix one wind damaged shingle, we have effectively damaged 1, 2, but 3 shingles above it. This will be accompanied by photos of close-ups so you can review. We would kindly ask that you would reconsider the repairability aspect of this claim, as this would not bring the insured back to pre-loss conditions, unfortunately. Thank you for watching and have a good day.